So, coming to the geographical source, senna is widely cultivated in India. In India, it is mainly cultivated in Tinnevelli, Madurai, Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. Mainly for commercial purpose, in Tinnevelli district of Tamil Nadu, it has been cultivated. Senna is one of the widely exported medicinal plant from India to the European and American subcontinent, European countries and American continents. It is also cultivated in Kudupa district of Andhra Pradesh and Kutch of Gujarat and Rajasthan, and some little extent in Karnataka also. Coming to the history, senna was known to physicians from very old days, and it has been well documented in Unani system of medicine. About 26 species of genus Cassia have been reported to contain anthracene derivative either in free form or in glycoside form. Out of them, Cassia angustifolia, which I mentioned in biological source, which is also known as Indian senna, Cassia acutifolia, which is known as Alexandra, are official in different pharmacopoeias because of cathartic activity and also because they are available in large quantity. Some other species include Cassia alata, Cassia fistula, Cassia ovata, Cassia dentata, Cassia javanica. So this is in brief regarding the history of senna. Coming to our next part, which is cultivation and collection method. 25,000 hectares of land is under cultivation of senna in India, and it is producing about 22,500 tons of leaves and 7,500 tons of fruit per annum. Senna is mainly cultivated in Tinnevelli and Ramanathapuram district and other adjacent regions. Senna is a very small shrub with 1.5 meter of height, having compound peripinnate leaves, and each leaf has got 3 to 5 to 7 pairs of leaves. Coming to the soil, alluvial loamy soil is favorable for senna cultivation, but also it grows in coarsely gravelly soil. Before sowing, the land is plowed twice and harrowed and leveled. So generally first sowing is done in the month of February and March, whereas second sowing is done in the month of October and November, means after rain. Normally the sowing is done by broadcasting method. For earlier germination, the seed surface is abbraced with sand. About 15 to 20 kg of seeds are required per hectare of land for its growth. The plant are grown as semi-irrigated or light irrigated crops. Heavy irrigation, waterlogging, etc. must be avoided because in the presence of heavy waterlogging, senna plant growth is hindered. Moreover, the plant also cannot survive in very low temperature, and around minimum 20 to 25 degrees centigrade is favorable for its growth. After 2 to 3 months of showing, the harvested leaf is done in 3 stages. At the first stage, plucking is done when the leaves are thick, full grown and greenish in color. After 1 month, second stage, again the plucking is done, and the last plucking is carried out after 4 to 6 weeks of second phase. Normally, the plants are uprooted after third plucking of the leaves. Coming to the collection part, the leaflets are dried under shade, and it is spreaded in a thin layer. They are, after drying, they are packed in a well closed container,